Martin Hurry, Blues Guitar Licks.
Hello, how's you going? Martin for theblueslab.com. I hope you are doing well. Today I bring you a few ideas for comping, for blues shuffle comping, which is using some 9th and 7th chords and also some classic Chicago lines and riff, So probably you know it, probably you don't know these things. So I hope you like it. Remember, you can find the tabs and the fingerings of these chords in PDF on my Patreon. And well, let's go for it. Thank you. So today, this lesson and tips are based in a jam context, right? So let's say you go to a jam. Okay, let's play shuffle in G. So usually the guitarists, they start doing this, for example. Yes, the classic power chord, Another option would be just play the 7th chord, or the 7th chord like this, or the 9th. Yes, but all these chords are based more on the bass strings, on the low strings, the low range of our guitar, So the chords I would like to show you today are more based into the treble strings, the string number 1, 2, 3, and 4, let's say. And the first chord I would like to show you is this one. So my middle finger, we are in G, we're in the key of G. My middle finger on the fourth string, my index finger on the 3rd string, fret number 2, ring finger, string number 2, and pinky finger, string number 1, So it's a beautiful jazzy 9th chord, We are playing here the flat 7th, the 9th, the 5th, and the root, of my G, And I just recorded a backing track on my loop pedal, which is a bass line in the key of G. I'm not playing the 12-bar blues because I just want to show you the chords in one tonal center. So listen to this. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's a nice blues jazz chord, I use it all the time, and as you can hear, we play the treble part of my guitar, the strings 1, 2, 3, and 4. Another chord you can use, which is the same but different fingering, is here. My root is here, my major 3rd, my 9th, and my flat 7. Of course, you can find all these fingerings on my Patreon, So how it sounds: 1, 2, 3, 4. The previous one. We can just play one of them, or we can play both when we play rhythm, like it's the same voicing, with the notes are in a different order, but nice, Another thing you can use is this triad. Actually, that's my 9th triad of G, and this is my 6th triad of G. But the shape, as you can see, is a D minor triad, from D minor to E, back to D, the shape. Let's see with the root in G. option will be the same triad, different inversion. Ah, nice. Let's see how it sounds. Yeah. Just playing all of these chords, yeah, together to show you the difference between them. Yeah? Another one, well, the classic seventh, yeah. Again. That's more a Chicago guitar blues approach, yeah. Another option would be this inversion of 13th chord. That's my root, yeah, it is G. Yeah, nice sound, yeah, 13. Another option would be comping with this style of riff. So that's all for today. I hope you like these chords and these ideas. Thanks to be here to watch this video, to like, subscribe. Remember, you can follow me on my Instagram, and see you soon.